morning everybody. So we've just arrived in a place called OLHÃO in the Algarve, and we've come here today because we're going to be heading to some islands once again, like the last video. Bit different to the last island though. The last one was uninhabited. This one actually has like a little town or village on the island, and OLHÃO is where you get the ferry. So we just parked our car here and we're going to be heading to the ticket office now. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'll let you know. Alright, so we got the tickets. This was €4 per person, and that's to go there and back. So return ticket, €4. And now we just gotta wait for the ferry here. Alright, off we go. Nice clear water, right?
Yeah.
Already. So we've made it. We've come to Ilha da Farol, which means Lighthouse Island, and it took about 30 minutes to get here on the ferry. Saw loads of private boats and like taxi boats coming here, so you can do that if you want to spend more. But yeah, the 30-minute option's pretty cool. Anyway, you go nice and slow, and you could see all the other little islands that nobody lives on. It's like marsh islands kind of thing. And here looks really great so far. You got all these nice little houses on this walkway here. Nice little houses, right?
Yeah, and all the flowers.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Cute little house. They're all like that, I think.
Yeah, very tiny.
Yeah, tiny little homes. Is that a house?
Nice to get the picture of the sea. Yeah, that is because
And look at that for a cool police station. The sea police. So just coming quickly on this little beach here, do the temperature check. Beautiful clear water here, probably the clearest water I've seen in the Algarve so far. Ooh, that is ice cold. Yeah, that's really nice. I didn't know we'd have clear water like this on this island. Yeah, so far this is a lot cooler than what we were expecting. We didn't really know it was going to be like this. I definitely didn't know all the buildings were going to be nice. Even this part here, look at all these unusual plants. Is that the house?
Yeah, we're gonna buy this one.
This is the one that we're buying. Check it out. And right on the beach here. Hey Carol, look how clear the water is on this part.
Oh yeah.
I had no idea you could get that in the Algarve.
Yeah.
It's like almost Mediterranean. Because we're not in the Mediterranean yet.
Yeah, if I didn't know it was very cold, I would jump.
Yeah. So it's funny, me and Carol spent a month in the Algarve last year, But we had no idea about these islands because we only explored the west, which was more like rocks and cliffs. So you don't have these islands on the west side, it's only on the east side of the Algarve. So this is our first time seeing all this, and yeah, I'm just pretty shocked actually. I had no idea that Portugal had these kind of places. So even on the other side, that's a deserted island that you can go to. You can go to pretty much all the islands. There's boat tours to them all. What, fish? Oh yeah, good fishing spot. Oh, there's some big ones there, right? Yeah, they must be eating something on the top of the water. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably in like June, July, August. I bet this island and all the other islands are just packed with people. I bet in the great hot weather, yeah, a lot more people must come here. There'll be a lot more people swimming as well. Right now it is a bit too cold. I think in the summer it's at least above 20 degrees Celsius, the water temperature. I think right now it's below that, so it's kind of hard to go in, but still amazing either way. Nice shot of the lighthouse up there as well. Yeah. Picture. Lighthouse picture. Yeah. So we stopped at this nice beach bar right on the beach and right next to the lighthouse. Me and Dad got some Imperial beer and that was €2 I think. Mum got the little shot of coffee as usual, right? Yeah. And Carol got the Sumo de Laranja.
Yeah, €4.
€4. Really cool spot though, playing some Latino music. So check this out for a beautiful deserted huge beach. Love the sand here as well, super soft and white. And we're just gonna walk along the beach now all the way down there. It's like a never-ending beach. It's like everywhere we go in the Algarve is a million times better than what we expect.
Yeah, and different from each other.
Yeah, everything completely different.
Yeah, we've been loving it so far.
Yeah, so much variety in the Algarve. What are you drawing? A love heart. Love the Algarve. Oh, Chris and Carol. Oh, that's very cute, Mum.
Once I did in the Algarve with Christmas here, I remember.
Oh yeah? What, is that for your Facebook?
Yeah, trying to get it.
So we've left that part behind us with the lighthouse. So that part, like I said at the beginning, is called Ilha do Farol. And we're heading to a place called Ilha da Culatra. So Ilha means island. So for some reason they both have different island names, but it's all the same island. So I don't know what the reason is behind that. But we're gonna get the ferry back from Culatra, a different area. So if you come here, you can do that. You can come on the ferry to one of the places, walk along, and then go back from the other spot. So you see two different places. Alright, so we're cutting across the island now because Culatra is actually on the other side over there. Awesome walkway, right?
Yeah.
Wow,
You
check.
can see everything, the mainland.
Yeah. What amazing views the moment you cut in. So we have this walkway here, just goes all the way across, and I guess that's Culatra there, this village. You can get these back on. Yeah, so this gives you a better idea of what I could see on the drone shots. It's just huge sand dunes and nothing else all throughout the middle. In the middle of the island, you have a bit of water here, and I think depending on the tide, all this gets covered. So when it's low tide, like now, yeah, you can see some of the marshes and stuff. But once again, like I said before, it's all unique around here, the landscapes. I haven't seen anything like this in other countries so far. So this is the main town of Culatra. Kind of similar to the place in Ilha do Farol, but some of the houses look a bit bigger. Still nice, cute, colourful with the plants and stuff. Yeah, check out this old chain. Oh, it's the anchor. Wow, look at the size of this anchor here. So the ferry back to OLHÃO is at 3:30. We got here at 11:30, so we've had 4 hours overall. And I think it's going to be leaving in 20 minutes, so I thought I'd go on a final drone flight of this area of Culatra, and we'll see how nice it looks from above.
New drone.
Yeah, the new drone, MAVIC Air 2. Amazing drone. So I think that's our ferry coming over there. Check out all these seagulls now. Whoa. Whoa.
The dog.
Oh yeah, little dog. Going for his island trip. So we come back to Santa Luzia, where we're staying now. We ended up just walking around OLHÃO a little bit, the old town. Yeah, kind of similar to all the other old towns that we walked around, the architecture and the nice churches, but definitely worth seeing. And right now we're on the rooftop of the place we're staying. I don't think I've shown this in any of the previous videos. So I'll just show you quickly how the area looks that we're staying in. So I did show that before, the old abandoned house right next to us. The lagoon here, it's called Ilha Formosa, which is the same one that goes to all the other islands that we've been visiting. And this is a separate island back there as well, with a beach on it. Not as nice as the other ones, but yeah, still pretty good beach. And we came up here because it's pretty much sunset time right now, right at the end. I don't know if we're going to get much colours, there's not that many clouds. And that's it for our Eastern Algarve road trip. We're going to be heading back to Portimão, where my parents live, and there's still going to be a lot more videos coming from the Algarve because we're going to be here for the rest of the year. But yeah, it's been cool seeing this area. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it's completely different to the area we're in and the west. You'll see if you keep following our channel for the future videos. So if you like the video, just drop a like to support us, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.